Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking at American International Mathematics Examination of 2022. Given x, y, z are positive real numbers satisfying square root of 2x minus xy plus square root of 2y minus xy is equal to 1. Square root of 2y minus yz plus square root of 2z minus yz is equal to root 2. Square root of 2z minus zx plus square root of 2x minus zx equal to root 3. Now we have to find the value of 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z whole square. So here we are having the logic, that's why this problem is selected. So we are having so many methods to do this problem, but this is the substitution method we are following. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try this problem. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So first of all, here squaring on both sides we can do. But here first of all, what is the value you have to find is 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z. Let us take 1 minus x is equal to a. 1 minus y is equal to b. 1 minus z is equal to c. So these are the values we have to find. Now here if you find ABC whole square, then you'll get the required answer. ABC whole square, you'll get the required answer. 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z whole square. Now here if you take the first one, square root of 2x minus xy plus square root of 2y minus xy is equal to 1. So here you have to change in the form of a and b, a, b and c. So here square root of, here you can write it as 1 minus a into 1 minus 1 plus b. 1 minus a into 1 plus b. Here you can write it as 1 plus a into 1 minus b. 1 plus a into 1 minus b. Here I am doing a. So if you multiply 1 minus a is equal to x. 1 minus a is equal to x. 1 plus b. 1 plus b is equal to 2 minus y. 1 plus b is equal to 2 minus y. If you multiply both of these, 2x minus xy will get. So like this you have done the adjustment. So you will follow the same here. 1 minus a equal to x, from this here 1 minus a equal to x. Here 1 plus b, adding b on 1 on both sides will get 2 minus y. If you multiply these two, you will get 2x minus xy. In the same way, you will follow the pattern. So the second one, you will write it as 1 minus b into 1 plus c plus square root of 1 plus b 1 plus b into 1 minus c is equal to root 2. Here this value is 1. Second one you wrote as root 2. Okay, now if you take the third one, so here 1 minus a into 1 plus c plus square root of 1 minus c into 1 plus a is equal to root 3. Let it be 3 equations. Here place not there, I am writing here 1, 2 and this one as 3. These are the 3 equations we are having. Now individually you will do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So thus I will do one of them. So let us take it as a and this is b. So a square plus b square. So a square plus b square means here 1 minus a 1 plus b plus 1 plus a 1 minus b. This is a square b square. So here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here you will get plus 2 root of 1 minus a into 1 plus b into 1 plus a into 1 minus b is equal to 1. So if you multiply this 1 minus a plus b minus ab 1 plus a minus b plus a minus ab minus ab. So here a get cancel, bb get cancel here. 2 minus 2ab will get 2 minus 2ab plus up to here only I did this value will get 2 root of 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square is equal to 1. Now sending this terms to that side. So here you will get these two terms I am sending to that side. 2ab minus 1 is equal to 2 root of 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square. So this we are getting after squaring on both sides. So similarly, if you take the second one, 2bc, here you will get 2, here also square root will get 2, both will get cancel. 2 root of 1 minus b square into 1 minus c square will get. Now if you do squaring on both sides, third side, third one, third equation, 2ac plus 1 will get is equal to 2 root of 1 minus c square into 1 minus a square. So these are the values we are getting. Now again squaring on both sides. The first one I am taking. Again we are doing squaring on both sides. So 2ab minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 root of 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square whole square. We are doing squaring on both sides once again. So here what will get 4a square b square plus 1 minus 4ab is equal to 4 into 1 minus a square minus b square plus a square b square. So here if you open the bracket here, 4a square b square plus 1 minus 4ab is equal to 4 minus 4a square minus 4b square plus 4a square b square. Both will get cancelled. 4a square b square. 1 minus 4ab is equal to 4 minus 4a square minus 4b square. Here you can take common 4. So here 4a square, all the variables will take one side. 4a square plus 4b square minus 4ab is equal to 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. If you take 4 common here, a square plus b square minus ab is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, let it be fourth equation now. Somewhat we are having calculation more. Now if you do squaring on both sides, the second one, b square plus c square will get 1 now. Let it be 5. If you take squaring on both sides, this one, so you'll get a square plus c square, a square plus c square plus ac is equal to 3 by 4. Let it be 6. Now our target is to find ABC values over here. Now subtracting 4 and 6. 4 minus 6. Subtracting 4 minus 6. What will get 4 minus 6 here? A square plus b square minus ab minus a square minus c square minus ac equal to 0. So a square cancel. What will get here? B square minus c square is equal to AB plus AC. B square minus c square equal to AB plus AC. This can be written as B plus C into B minus C is equal to A into B plus C. So here B plus C get cancelled. Now you are getting A is equal to B minus C. A value is equal to B minus C. Okay, now replace this A value. Replace A in 4. What is 4 here? A square plus B square minus AB is 3 by 4. So what will get? B minus C whole square. In the place of A, you are writing B minus C plus B square minus 4 into B minus C into B. Sorry, minus B minus C minus AB is equal to 3 by 4. So if you expand b square plus c square minus 2bc plus b square minus b square minus into minus plus bc is 3 by 4. So here b square get cancelled. B square plus c square minus bc is 3 by 4. But here from 5, b square c square value is 1. This is 1. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to bc. Now BC is equal to 1 by 4. BC value got 1 by 4. Now squaring this on both sides. Let it be 7. Squaring on both sides. So A is equal to B minus C will got. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2A BC. So this value already you know it is 1. A square is equal to 1 minus BC value got 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. So A square is equal to 1 by 2 you are getting. So A value is 1 by root 2. And BC value is 1 by 4. Now ABC whole square you want. ABC whole square means 1 by root 2 into 1 by 4 whole square. That implies 1 by 2 into 1 by 16. That is 1 by 32. That is the answer. So I hope you understood the problem. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.